Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty products that make your routine both effortless and luxurious. Today, we're checking out the LORAC Unzipped Sheer Silk Lip Gloss in the shade Peach Unfazed. This is a gel-based lip gloss designed specifically for sensitive skin, offering a matte finish while keeping lips nourished and soft. The first thing I noticed about this lip gloss is its texture. The gel formula glides on smoothly without feeling sticky or heavy. LORAC emphasizes that it's suitable for sensitive skin, and I can confirm it feels gentle and soothing, which is a big plus for anyone prone to irritation. The matte finish is subtle, giving a natural, sophisticated look without drying out the lips, which is often a concern with matte products. Using it in my daily routine was quite easy. The applicator allows for precise application, and the shade Peach Unfazed is a lovely, understated peach that works well for everyday wear. It's perfect for layering over other lip products or wearing on its own for a minimalist, polished look. Over several hours of wear, I found that it maintained a comfortable feel without feathering or cracking, which is impressive for a matte gloss. I really like that this product balances softness with pigmentation. While it's sheer, it builds nicely without becoming patchy. The scent is mild and non-irritating, another thoughtful detail for sensitive skin users. On the flip side, the gloss isn't extremely long-wearing, so you'll need to reapply after meals or drinks. Also, those who prefer a high-impact matte might find the finish too subtle. Packaging is sleek and travel-friendly, though it's standard compared to some high-end lip glosses with more luxurious casing. In terms of value for money, LORAC has priced this gloss at a mid-range level. Considering its sensitivity-friendly formula, quality pigmentation, and comfortable matte finish, it's justified if you're looking for a lip product that's both gentle and wearable. For those on a tighter budget, there are other sheer matte glosses from brands like NYX or ELF that provide similar looks, but this one stands out for its skin-friendly formula and smooth application. Compared to other lip glosses in the LORAC Unzipped line, Peach Unfazed holds its own as a daily wear shade. It's not as bold as some of the deeper tones, but its versatility makes it a reliable choice for sensitive lips. The build quality of the tube and applicator is solid, and the product feels durable enough to last through daily use without leakage or breakage. LORAC's reputation for customer service is generally positive, though I haven't had direct interactions for this product specifically. So, is this gloss right for you? If you have sensitive lips and prefer a subtle matte sheen without compromising on comfort, the LORAC Unzipped Sheer Silk Lip Gloss is definitely worth trying. If you're after something more intense in color or ultra long lasting, you might want to explore a more pigmented or liquid matte alternative. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the link to purchase this gloss is in the comments or description box. If you've tried Peach Unfazed, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.